Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay, back with another video. It has been a minute, but your girl has been all over the place and a lot has been going on, a lot of changes, but we are back and this is the second cash stuffing for the month of October. We are going to be stuffing $650. There are some changes, so we're not going to be stuffing everything today, but I'll explain as we get into the video. So before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. Okay, so I'm really gonna try to stay on track because my mind has just been all over the place. As you can see, this video is late, way late. Should have been out on Monday, but there's been a lot of stuff going on, which I will explain later on in November. So we're gonna get our envelope out and we are going to be stuffing the motorhome. So gas, y'all, it's been late. I already spent it. I had to fill up my tank. I put $50 in gas, so that accounts for the $50. I do not have it out here because, like I said, I had to get gas so I could get to work. So $50 went into gas. I spent that. Have a full tank now. Toll is not getting anything. It has $10. I haven't made any trips, so we're going to keep that in there. Food is getting $10. I don't really need to be even putting anything in here, but just in case I want to go to Dunkin' or something, we'll put that in there. Date night has some dollars in here. We're gonna take these out, and you guys already know we're gonna be putting this towards the dollar savings challenge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if my nails are, my hands are crusty, y'all, I just did my nails myself. I bought a dip powder kit from Amazon, and if I do say so myself, I think I did a pretty good job. I just need to go in and file around the nail, but you know, not too bad. I'll leave the link down below in case you guys are interested. But your girl's not spending no more money at the nail salon. $40 to $45 for dip powder, and I can do it myself at home looking like this. Saving money. So date night is going to be getting $25. I have been extremely picky lately, and my husband is irritated because every night I'm like, I don't want what we have in the house, I want to eat out. So date night is getting $25 and we will definitely use that. Shopping is going to be getting $10. I've been doing good. I haven't really been shopping and getting anything. I did run to Michael's today to get some more stuff for business supplies. I'm working on t-shirts for a wedding, but that's all I spent. There's nothing in gift cards. Coins, I'm going to do because I said I was going to do it last time and skipped it. I never did it in the rest of the video. So we don't have that many coins. These little cute little A7 zipper pouches are from Prosperously Piink. Her information will be down below in the description box, as well as SamsCraftsandCustoms, who made these little A7 envelopes that are super cute, and I get so many compliments when I'm out with my wallet. So that's it for that. We're gonna see how much is in here. $43, $45, and we're gonna put in our coins. We don't have too many, so I wanted to do it before I forgot. At the end of the last video, I was like, I definitely forgot to do something. And it was these darn coins. I can't wait to cash these in the end of December. Alright, so $44.65 is what we have in there now. That is so good. So excited. And we're going to go into our money spender binder. Alright, so fun money is going to be getting $10. There's absolutely nothing in there. I do not have anything planned. I've kind of just been trying to stay low-key, so that is that. Self-care is going to be getting $10. We have $40 in there. right now. So we're gonna have a total of 50. 20, 40, 50. This has been like the best envelope for me, literally the best. I've actually been using it and staying on top of everything. Emergency fund has $320. It's going to be getting just $5. So we're gonna have 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 325. The goal, my goal is to get this to 500 by the end of December. Car maintenance, and just as so everyone knows, if you're new, this is just like an extra emergency fund that I put aside so that I don't have to go into my real emergency fund and my bank account. This is kind of like I'll use this first before I go into my bank account. Car maintenance is getting $5. There is 45, so we're gonna have a total of 50. I have been loving my Jeep, y'all. Oh my gosh. Best thing ever. It's starting to get a little cold outside. And I am not like a cold person. I do not like being cold. My car got the heated seats, the heated steering wheel. I be cozy driving to work. I am loving being high up. The only thing is the gas. It's a gas guzzler, but I love it. Okay? Jeep gang probably for the rest of my life at this point. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. And my first oil change is free from where I bought my car, so I don't even have to worry about that. Medical dental is not getting anything. It has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. I went to the dentist and didn't have any cavities last time. And you know, for annual checkups with insurance, you do not have copays, or at least I don't. So I did not have to take out of that, but I will need some allergy medicine soon. So now we're gonna head into our sinking funds. I love this binder because it's just pink, everything. Beauty is going to be getting 25. There is 15 in here, so we should have a total of 40. 20, 30, 35, 40, which is great. Now that I'm not getting my nails done, I really would like to get my legs waxed, but I think it'll be too much. And y'all, your girl got suckered. I got a gym membership again. Now y'all know I didn't use a gym membership last year or the year before, whenever. I canceled it. But I got a gym membership because I need to go out, I need to be active, I need to be around other people working out to be motivated. So I signed up for a gym membership again, and it is, I think, $32.99 a month, and I got it on a deal, so I get the whole month of November free, and then I start paying for December. So, you know, they got me, but I was like, this is what I need to do. Maybe I will go with my husband, go with some friends. I need to get out. I love the spin classes too, y'all. If you do spin classes, we're here. I love spin classes. But anyway, that was beauty. Vacation is getting $5. It has 20, well, I'll just count it after. I think it has 70. So it should have 75. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. 75. And guess where your girl is going? The next trip. We are going to Miami. I cannot wait. I have never been, so if you have been to Miami and you have suggestions or places that I really should go or need to go, comment them down below, because your girl is trying to plan an itinerary because we're only going for 4 days. So comment down below some things that I should do while I'm in Miami. Then we have B-Days and Gifts. B-Days and Gifts has $40, and we're just adding 5. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Do not have any birthdays coming up. And then we're going to be skipping all the way to hubby. So Christmas, I've been doing good. I bought another thing for my other nephew, so I think I have $150 left, which is on budget for my Pollyanna gift. And I have another gift to get for my niece, and then $50 left over for whatever else. I might need to add more, but we'll see. I think so far then I'm good. And I'm so proud of myself that I've been out getting everything early and in advance. But anyway, hubby has $120. He's getting 10. I kind of know what I'm gonna get him for his birthday, but I just want to keep adding this on. My goal is maybe like 250, 300. We'll see if I can do that by the time December gets here, because his birthday is early December, so we'll see. 100, 120, 130. And then that is all that we're stuffing for the other ones. Oliver has some money in there. He has $10. Nurse stuff I don't need. I think it has $35. Grad school. So grad school currently has $50 physically in the envelope, but there is $1,100 in my bank account. So I have a total of $1,150 because well, never mind, not scratch that. So I have $600 in my bank account. This is the 50, and then we're adding in $500 today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550 plus the 600 that is in my account. We're gonna have a total of $1,150. So that is so good. I'm actually putting this aside because it's gonna go right to the bank, and I'm just gonna leave the 50 in there. But I am so excited because I don't know why, but I got like a tuition discount for the first semester, and I had already paid it in full, and it was like $450. So my spring 2022 semester, I only have to pay, I think, like $2,580. So this is like my little sheet. This is how I like understand everything. So I paid $3,030 for the fall. And now for the next semester, it's $2,580, but I'm still budgeting it to save $3,030 because that was my goal. And I will just roll over the excess to the next semester. So I'm very excited for that. I have a plan for everything. My Sallie Mae loans finally went into deferment. So I'm going to have a little bit of extra money, but I did skip paying Sallie Mae this month because I saw that it was in deferment. But I'm going to continue paying it because I'm going to do a separate video on my Sallie Mae, but I have one Sallie Mae loan that is like $5,000, I think $5,800, and I want to pay that off by the end of the year. So if I can, by the end of the year at least, or by February, I want to have that paid off. So that is my goal. Even though I don't have to pay it and it's going to be in deferment, I'm going to pay it anyway. So y'all are going to finally see me make some student loan debt foots forward. Like, I'm finally going to be doing something for my student debt. So in here is $71. I wrote it down the last time, and we are adding in just $4, so we should have $75. I like just can't even believe that, to be honest. Like $75, literally. It's crazy. It's so easy to do this challenge. I literally might do this challenge every year because it's just easy. So we should have 75. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So we have $75, and I wrote it in there so I don't forget or mess up in the next video like I did the last one. So this is getting thick, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited because we have 2 more months of this. So all this money is going to go towards a Sallie Mae, and then I have $100 in the Sallie Mae envelope, so we're already having like a good decent amount because we're going to use the change too. So I'm trying to think if I have any other announcements for you guys. I'm going to do a Sallie Mae debt video so you guys can see the tragic amount of debt I am in Sallie Mae and be with me along that journey, because that is my goal for 2022, is to knock that debt down. Once I'm able to pay off or save up enough money to cover my entire tuition for the entire degree of my master's program, all that money is going to skyrocket towards my student debt. For the remaining time that I'm in school, I'm not just going to use that money just because it's in deferment. I'm going to be using it to pay the loans off and taking advantage of that I don't have to. So even if I have to do a little bit less, I'm still going to be putting something towards it. I think that is the major announcement. There's other changes that I will be announcing later on in November. I am trying to get into a consistent schedule again, but this past couple weeks has been a lot between school, work, and I haven't been home. I've been doing stuff with family and stuff. So just stay tuned. I am very excited for all the changes that are to come. My channel is gonna have a bunch of changes just due with my announcement that I'm gonna be talking to you guys about. No, I'm not pregnant. It is a totally different announcement. But I'm just very excited for all the new opportunities, growth, and change that are coming in the next couple of weeks, months, and into the new year. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, if you went to Miami, to leave me down some things that I should do while I am there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.